Welcome to DocSmart platform, India's only healthcare app which uses the healthcare ecosystem platform. Now I'll take you through the settings and dashboard. Press on the profile pic to open the menu. Login gives you option to switch role as a doctor or a patient. Later, center owners or staff will also use this feature to log into other healthcare services. Setting has managed password, which can be created or edited in the log of the password. Digital signature. Here you can create a PIN or you can change your signature. When you create a PIN, it sends a notification in the form of an OTP to your registered mobile number. Once you enter the OTP, thereafter you can sign as well as enter a 4-digit PIN which gets saved. The reason and the importance of making a digital signature is to authenticate any document which you digitally sign in the system. For example, a prescription. Privacy, device access. In device access, you will know all the devices which are accessing your account. You can remove them from here. In the patient's modal, here the patient can also see which doctors have access to his or her account. The patient can also remove the authority, the rights of the doctor to see the patient's profile. In help and support, you can seek customer support for whatever problems or grievances you may have or suggestions which you wish to give. You may access the FAQ, the terms and conditions, the privacy policy, and about the directors through the system. The dashboard has many features. The appointment module has upcoming appointments for the day, completed, cancelled, and all. OPD created and closed midway can be resumed within 24 hours. Thereafter, it shall be deemed as cancelled. You or your assistant can add a booking for a patient, medical rep, or a visitor through the Add Booking button. You can search a patient from DocSmart or among your own patient or create a new patient. A new patient created can be made into a DocSmart member by entering the mobile number and authenticating with the OTP. The importance of doing so is that whatever prescriptions or documents you enter on behalf of the patient get shared to the patient's DocSmart account also. Do not use any mobile number not belonging to the patient. You may create a casualty to see a patient immediately. Or you may schedule an appointment by selecting the next appointment date or as per the convenience of the patient. The booking thus made is displayed in your upcoming appointments. The menu in the label allows you to reschedule the appointment or cancel the appointment. Whenever you do so, intimation is given to the patient that his appointment has been cancelled due to any particular reason. The doctor can block his appointments also, and for a single day or for multiple days, during which period SMS goes to the patient whoever has been booked in those particular days, or no new appointment can be taken on those days. Mark red flag can be done here to an abusive or a violent patient. Whenever you mark a red flag, it will ask you for the type of damage and a type of involvement. You have to upload an FIR copy which goes to the admin for authentication. Once the admin authenticates a red flag request, the red flag is seen across the system against the patient profile by all the users of DocSmart. The search patient feature allows one to search their own patient or all the patients across DocSmart. You have to search the name of the patient in the field, and when the label comes, there will be a button of request access. When you press the button, an access request goes to the patient in the form of an OTP as well as in the notification window. The patient can accept the request, and then the patient's OPD or medical certificates can be created. Online consultation has all the list of present and past online consultations. Home visit booked by the patient are displayed in the home visit section. Request from the patient is seen in the pending section, which needs to be approved by the doctor with the doctor's timing. Once the same is accepted by the patient, it goes to the upcoming section of the patient as well as the doctor. All prescription entered by the doctor in the OPD is seen in the prescription section of both the doctor as well as the patient, making it a paperless mode of working. One can also upload a prescription of a patient and share with the patient directly. Reports generated by DocSmart Lab will be seen automatically in the report section. One can also upload a report of a patient and share with him directly. All records such as medical certificate, death certificate, consent form for any procedure, and documents in the OPD and registration are stored in record section. One can also upload any medical certificate or a death certificate or create a consent form in the record section. The gallery auto saves all the media created in the app. It saves the media in the My Gallery or Patient's Gallery. One can upload a media and save it too. The account module keeps track of all your transactions in the system, both online as well as offline. The wallet tracks your transactions which are done online. Your refunds are also reflected here. Any income generated online can be redeemed from here, giving your bank details. Redeem is allowed only after the service is completed, with a gap period of 7 to 10 days post service. Review modal gives all the reviews and ratings received by you as well as those given by you to your patient. The flag section saves any red flag done by you against any abusive or violent patient. The red flag, once approved by the admin, is seen against the patient's profile across the system. You may choose to remove the same. In the chat section, you may chat with any DocSmart member within the app. System chat allows you to chat with a DocSmart representative. All notifications are registered in the notification section. All requests can also approve or rejected through the notification section. The patient's module has additional features of searching a doctor via location, specialty and complaints, near me, rating, costing, or filtered with specialty, complaints, or advanced filter for online consultation, home and free consultation. Its dashboard has prescription tests and reports auto-populated via the system. Personal folder has option to maintain record of one's BP, sugar and vaccination. Records can be maintained as with the date of whatever variables you want to choose. Any doctor who is selected as favorite by pressing the heart icon is seen in the favorites folder. so that you don't need to choose or search for a doctor again. It can be seen in your favorite folder. The dependence folder is a unique concept to add any minor or those who are technically challenged. The profile can be detached once the child attains 18 years of age. With this, I complete this module. Thank you.